How do you design a viewer-optimized homepage for your website that keeps clients engaged while also helping them find exactly what they came to your website for in seconds? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you in today's video. I'm not only going to show you how you can design a website's homepage from scratch, but I also tell you what design elements a homepage of a website should include. So hi everyone, I'm Lydia, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Elementor for WordPress to design your website's homepage from scratch and what elements should it include so it can be a client optimized homepage as well. When you go to a website homepage, you're probably going to want to find everything that website is about. So basically sharing their blog, their posts, their shop, products. You're going to want to know what that person has to offer or that business has to offer. That's why so many businesses, product selling businesses, have products on their first page, their homepage, because it is important to understand from the moment you clicked on a website what it is about, what can they offer you. So that is exactly what I'm going to teach you how to do for your clients. In today's video, I'm going to use Elementor to design a homepage for a brand new website, but I'm also going to show you the difference between designing a homepage for a freelancer, for example, and I'm also going to show you how you can design a homepage for a product selling business, like one that mainly uses Bluehost or WordPress for WooCommerce. So you can do both of these things with Elementor, and Elementor, if you don't know, it is a plugin on WordPress that helps you design pages from scratch with their drag and drop builder. The Pro version has a lot of templates that you can use to design your homepage, your pages, your posts, your products, your shop in minutes by just inserting that template and editing everything you need to it. If you want to try Elementor, click the link down below, or if you want to go for the Pro version and get access to a lot more templates and widgets that you can use for your page, some of which I'm going to demonstrate in today's video, make sure to follow the link down below to find out what the prices are and purchase your license. So let's get into it. My own homepage is personalized to my own liking. I added the parallax effect, which I'm going to demonstrate how to do in today's video as well. If it is something that interests you, you can either use it for your homepage or any of your pages in your blog or website. I still have a lot to work on my homepage as I'm adding new freebies, new products, and new things to my website. I'm optimizing that as I go. But for right now, I chose a page that allows my viewers, the minute that they click on my homepage, to find out what I am about, what I do, and what I can help them with. So as you can see, my homepage first has some visual aspects, so the parallax effect, as I said. Then I've added some categories, so read my blog, work with me, and then a freebie that I offer for Instagram growth. As you scroll down, you're going to see that I wanted to promote my YouTube channel, my videos on my website as well, so people can know where they can find more information. So it is kind of like a blog but in video format. Then I added another freebie that I'm going to update soon. So let's start with the first element that I think a homepage should have. The first element is obviously the business name or the logo of your website. You can choose to include it wherever you want, but it must be there. Then the menus. The main navigation menu should be up there or on the side that they could click on it and they should be able to see everything in your website but organized in folders basically. So they should be able to see your blog, your product categories, whatever you're offering. You should add those into categories so you can make browsing through your website a lot easier for your viewers. After you set up the main menu, so the navigation menu, the main one that shows up all the time or just shows up at the top of the page, you might want to add a social menu as well near it or on the top right corner. That's where I have it, so people can know what platforms they can find you on and interact with you. The next elements are the visual elements. So you need photography on your website, whether it is stock photography or photography you've taken. Depending on the nature of your website, you need some visual content. For visual content, I suggest either the parallax effect, so adding a few images, having a slider, a photo gallery. There are a bunch of things and templates that you can use with Elementor that can help you achieve exactly that. So if you want the parallax effect for your own website, you need to add an image in Elementor, as I did. So this is what is going to help you spacers to kind of get that image to flow down. You're going to need to add that image in the background. I'm just going to demonstrate how to do that whole process right now. Or you can click the link down below that I got help from for creating the parallax effect on my own website if you want more information. With Elementor, as I said, you can add a slider, you can add a photo gallery, you can add products gallery, you can add so many things that will help you design your website as you want it. Next, if you're not a product selling shop and you just want to add some categories on your front page, you can add those in Elementor as well, just by selecting a block. You can select the 3 sections one and then add the images as I did. You can add either buttons, or you can make people click on that specific image to go to your links. You can do so many settings and design it to your liking from Elementor. Another thing I suggest your homepage has, especially if you are a freelancer or you want to tell people more about you or your business even, is for you to add a picture of yourself or something that represents your business and some text explaining what your business is about, how it came to be, and a little bit more information that will help people get to know you a lot better. On your homepage, you can also add a call to action, offer a freebie as I am doing, and there are a bunch of options to do that as well. One thing that I find mandatory to have on your homepage, whether you are a product selling business or just an individual that has a blog or a business, is to have a newsletter that people can sign up for so that they will be added to your email list. The nice part about Elementor is that you can add a newsletter literally anywhere you want because of the HTML widget that they have available. So you can create the newsletter in MailerLite or whatever mailing app you use, get that HTML code and add it in the HTML widget with Elementor. So you can add that as a pop-up for your shop or for your website with Elementor, or you can use it at the middle of the page, top of the page, end of the page. You can either insert that newsletter in any page by just clicking edit with Elementor and including that HTML widget. Another thing you can do is add animations in your titles with Elementor. So with Elementor Pro, you have the option of adding animations to your titles on your homepage or any other page, which I think is really nice because it offers more interactive content and not just still content on your whole page. On your homepage, you can also include a video that describes your business, describe your products, describes yourself, or you can just add a video that you have on your YouTube channel by just inserting the video widget and then adding the link to the YouTube video in that widget. To optimize your page exactly the way you want it, you can add spacers so you can decide how much space you want between each widget. If you want people to find your shop, you can add a maps widget at the end of your homepage as well. You can add the widget that showcases your blog posts or your product galleries. You can even add a form that allows people to contact you so they can get more information for your product, your services, and so on. With the Pro version, you can also add a testimonial carousel, which is something that I will be using for my freelance landing pages so that my future clients can see the reviews of people that have already worked with me. For every single product, you can add a share button so people can share your product by just clicking a button on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and so on. If you have a special offer that is running out in a certain amount of time, you can add the countdown so you can attract people to your sales and offers that you have on your website right now, and just show how much those sales are going to be on your website for. So as you can see, there are a bunch of widgets that you can use to make your homepage look really nice and be optimized for your clients or viewers. So as I've said, you can design those with the free version or the Pro version. Now I'm going to tell you what I think the difference is between the free and the Pro version and kind of tell you my opinion on both. I have been using the Elementor free version for a while now, and honestly, since I started using that, I haven't used anything else. But the reason that I got the Pro version was because I really wanted more option to optimize my pages for viewers, and I'm glad I did. So with the free version, you can completely use it to design all of your pages from scratch. They have a bunch of widgets in the free version as well that you can use, and it doesn't cost a thing, and that is the good thing. Now the downside to the Pro version is that it costs money, but it only costs $49 per year, which if you ask me to design your website, it is a fair price, especially coming with the amount of templates and widgets that it comes with. The Pro version comes with so many templates, so many widgets, so many blocks that are already designed so that you don't have to do anything else but just brand them to your own liking. And ever since I got the Pro version, I have been able to do so many more settings to my website than with the free version, because I was able to design my shop. I'm now able to optimize my homepage exactly the way I want it. I can add share buttons to every one of my blog posts so that people can share them. There are just so many things that you can do with the Pro version that make me happy that I got it. and I also have the option of using so many already designed templates to save time. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever used Elementor and what you think of it. And also, what do you think is the most important element that a homepage of a website should contain? So that was it for today's video. This was my video on how to create a homepage from scratch for your website with Elementor. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below what you thought of this video and if you have any other video ideas that you want me to do. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for new videos such as this one every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you in my next one.